Hello, Internet. Hello, YouTube. Hello! How are you today? I'm having a fantastic day. Hope yours went well or is going to go well, actually. So today we're going to be opening up for January 2020 Medusa's Makeup. Yes, I know, it's been so long. We love Medusa's Makeup here, so I am very glad to have her back on the channel. Medusa's Makeup is one of my favorite boxes. The color payoff on what she provides, I'm assuming it's a she that owns it, is always on point. So I am a huge fan. Medusa's Makeup is a monthly subscription and costs $16.95 monthly. All the products included are vegan and cruelty-free. You can sign up for consecutive months. You can either sign up for a 3, 6, or 12-month plan if you want to save a little bit of money. And I'm so excited to see what they're starting the year off with. Don't forget, if you like what you see, hit that like button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, I'll make your favorite makeup brush disappear like that. That didn't work out quite so well. My bad. Let's go back in time and see what I got included in Medusa's Makeup Box, January 2020. That's my time travel mojo. It's not working. Yes. So you got a little bit of tissue paper. Ooh, we also got some cards. First card up here says 2020. Yes. I love it. It basically gives you a list of everything that's coming up in spring of 2020. The new. And it's Halo Glow Vegan Blush and Highlighter Balm Stick. Aloha Perfume Oil. Witch Hazel Hibiscus Toner. Didn't that already come out? I don't know. And then so on and so forth. I'll put up a list so you can see it. They also have an eyeshadow palette coming out, which is beyond overdue. It looks amazing. I'm excited. Not sure if I'd buy it, but if you want to send it to me, Medusa's Makeup, I'm not going to be mad at you. And they also have liquid lipsticks in 12 colors and 4 nudes. And those look pretty as well. They have another card, and it says Beauty Box 2020 Medusa's Makeup. And at the back it tells you everything included this month, a brief description about it, which is different because usually it just tells you what it is and the price. And it does have the price still. So my face is freshly washed, so I'm just gonna put on some brows so we can get right into it. Alright, so I have my eyebrows all done. So first thing I'm pulling out of the box is Totally Baked eyeshadow in a high pigment shimmer finish. From neutral hue to extreme color. Apply Stick It eye primer, well, I use something else, to get a more dramatic effect. Subscribers will receive a surprise color. So this is what I got, and this is Totally Baked. This is the back of it. And it is in the color Bitchin'. So that is the shade right there. It's very pretty. See how it swatches? Whoa, that is a lot of pigment. And that's actually why I love Medusa's Makeup, because every time you use it, it's just a lot of pigment. That is absolutely beautiful. And this is $9. They also included a liquid eyeshadow. And about the liquid eyeshadow, it says Shimmer and Glisten with liquid eyeshadow. Rich, beautiful color with a high shimmer sheen. No glitter, just pure shimmer. Wear alone or over eyeshadow. This is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna be shimmering all over the place. And this is in the color Grace. Grace had better be a dark one, because if they sent me a bright silvery gold shimmer and then like a white shimmer, I'm not gonna be happy. I'll tell you what, Medusa, I won't be happy. All right, let's see. Dun dun dun. It is purple. Yes. Hopefully it blends really well. That is what it looks like. It is a gorgeous purple though. Look at that. This runs $13. So let's swatch it and see what it looks like. Good. So that's what the purple looks like. Wondering if it smudges out okay. Looks like it does, so that is really, really good. Nice. This is what Grace looks like. It's a beautiful purple. It's super subtle. Basically just blended it out because I was like, I don't really know what else to do with this liquid eyeshadow. And it blends out beautifully. I am very, very happy. It's buildable, so you basically just have to keep adding on layers until you get to what you want. It's not a one and done type of situation. So I just put bitchin' right over Grace. I've been bitching at Grace, and this is how it came out. It looks really nice. Pigment is definitely there. I thought this was like a gold silver, but it seems like it's just a silver. Super smooth, went on very easily. This does not need to be buildable at all. Like literally like one swipe and you're done with the Grace. So that is awesome. So far so good. Looking like from afar. So let me put on foundation. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my eye makeup all done. Let's see what else is in the box. Next thing we have is a tinted lip balm. It's by Lovebird, which is their skincare line that they launched in 2019. There it is. It's in the color Smile. I have gotten one of their lip balms before. It was in a different shade. I don't know if I liked it that much. I can't really recall. It smells... I don't know what that smell is. It's not bad. It's just... I don't know what it smells like. I want to almost say like putty, but it's not putty. Alright, so... Whoa. Alright, well, I don't understand why the opening is so freaking large. Like, whose mouth is this? I know it's a lip balm, but none of my lip balms have like this wide of an area. Is it berry season or something? Because I feel like a lot of the lipsticks I've been getting are berry. Like, this is a really nice lip balm, and I can definitely see myself using it. Smile. Yeah, I can definitely see myself using it. I just find like I have a lot of the shade. It does really work well with the purple eyeshadow. I think it's like a really, really gorgeous look. And it says, keep your lips moisturized all day long with this flirty pink lip balm. Take it with you for a touch-up of moisture on the go. Apply lip balm to lips as often as needed to keep them super moisturized. And this runs $8. So that is actually really good. And it's a deep red. This isn't tinted. This is like a shade. This is not a tint at all. This is like a deep, very red. I'm very happy with it though. This is something I can definitely use as a lip balm. So I am happy. Next we have in the box, it's another product from Lovebird. And this is Pina Colada Coconut Oil. And it's a mascara melt. The coconut oil might as well be called magic oil. I like magic. Its multitasking powers put it in a league of its own. Rich in fatty acids, coconut oil is not only great at moisturizing the skin, but because it also increases skin elasticity, it can be anti-aging as well. Woo! Let's go back a few years then. Let's do it. And this costs $12. See if it smells like pina colada. The only ingredients in it are coconut oil and pina colada fragrance oil. Smells good. Very mild pina colada. I would say more pineapple than pina colada, but you know, it's close enough. And that is what it looks like on the inside, like a solid form of coconut oil. Hello again. So it's time for bed and I need to take this eye makeup off. I'm tired. I'm going to use that coconut melt, and it says how to use. Gently rub onto dry skin around the mascara and heavy eye makeup. Once makeup has been melted away, rinse face with warm water and pat dry. Let's see if this actually works for me. I do have like little makeup eraser wipies that I'm gonna end up using. Ooh. Oh wow, it's like really, really soft. It's like practically almost melted. Well, it is a mascara melt, so let's just rub it on this eye. And I forgot to mention, but I did use a waterproof mascara. And they do feel a little stiff. That looks scary. It looks like it got it all off, did it? Well, the bottom mascara is definitely gone. Well, the top appears to be gone. I look a little busted right now. It's like pretty face, black eye face. But I'm very happy with it. And look, while I've waited, it's like all melty now. I'm just gonna rub it on this side. Rub it on my crusty eyebrow too. Looks like my eye makeup is all gone. So that is awesome. Let's take some of this off with the makeup eraser. And I like that it's just coconut and pina colada oil. Like just coconut oil dripping down me. I think I did a really good job of getting the eye makeup off. That's it. It's all gone. Back to my normal looking face. That's the video. Bye.